Alanobi the billionaire. So today is another day that we want to feed this crop with this fertilizer. This is the CN. Our first application was the urea. No, we started by using the planting fertilizer, which was DAP. We did the top dressing, that's urea. Then we are finalizing with the final top dressing, which is CN. So basically, all these roots, all these fertilizer, they play a very significant role. We have one for the root development. We have for stem and broadening. Then we have for fruiting, which is this. So we're applying this with my guy, this Kevin, Sam, and we want to do 2 acres today. Then we call it a day. Our biggest fear is this fertilizer will not be enough. So that's the only big fear I have today. But I'm praying that it will do whatever it can, so that we can push a few fields. But for today, if you look at this maize, they're growing really well. So I think by next week they will be tasseling like this. They'll be into tasseling stage like this. I don't know if this guy did apply fertilizer, I'm not sure. But for us, we must feed this crop with the relevant component, which is the nutrients that are supposed to be used in each and every field. So I will keep you updated, and I had reasons why we have delayed applying this fertilizer. One, we had no fertilizer. Two, there was a situation that couldn't allow us, but we are back. We want to try and push and see how far we can be able to achieve. For now, I am your boy Alanobi the billionaire. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel, share my videos with your friends, and inquire anything if you want to learn when it comes to farming. I'm here to share free information. My canes are doing not badly, not good, but I think from next month our focus will be now into sugarcane. So right now we are focusing here, but next month we are into canes back to back. For now, I am your boy Alanobi the billionaire. Peace, bye.